Please feel free to subscribe to this sideshow and append any comments and questions, which I shall endeavour to deal with to the best of my theatrical propensities. Right, we're going to solve a little problem here, which you often find in A-level type examinations. And we're given the altitudes of a triangle as 5 centimetres, 7 and 8 centimetres. And you've got to find the side lengths. I've drawn a little triangle here, and we'll say that A is the longest side, B is the middle side, and C the shortest side. Right, now then, the ratio of A to B to C will be the reciprocals of these here, which is 1 upon 5 to 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 8. Okay? Because the altitudes and the side lengths when multiplied give you the area of the triangle, so one is the reciprocal of the other. That's what I've used here. Now, we've got them in form of fractions. We'll blow the fractions away by multiplying by the suitable numbers, and if you multiply everything by 5 times 7 times 8, this one will be 7 times 8, which is 56. The middle one will be 5 eighths is 40, and the last one will be 5 sevens 35. Bit easier to handle than fractions. Now, these won't be the actual lengths of A, B and C, but what it does tell us is that the triangle with those side lengths is similar to the triangle that we are after, which means we can find the angles. So I'm going to find the smallest angle, because that makes life easier. And I only need to find one of them. So I'll find what C is. And here I'm going to have to use the cosine rule. So cos of C equals A squared. It won't actually be A squared, but a multiple of A squared. But we're only interested in the proportions of these for the time being, so I'm quite safe to call that A squared, okay? Plus 40 squared minus 35 squared divided by 2 times 56 times 40. And if I can just consult my little bit of paperwork here, that works out to 0.7833705, and with the use of a calculator that gives me the size of the angle C as 38.399 degrees. That's to 3 decimal places. Right. Now that I've got that angle, I'll write that in here. 38.399 degrees. And I'm going to use this triangle here to work out what the size of little a actually is. So, using basic trigonometry, 7 divided by a is equal to the sine of 38.399 degrees. So that would make A equal to 7 divided by sine of 38.399 degrees, and our calculator gives us the answer A equals 11.27 centimeters. So that gives us one answer. To work out the other two, we just notice that B, it's going to be that one there, is 40/56 of A. So B is 11.27 times 40/56. There's no need to cancel that down because we'll use the calculator to give us the answer there. And that gives us B is 8.05 centimeters. And lastly, C, now C is equal to, where are we? 35/40ths of B, or 35/56ths of A. So that again it'll be 11.27 times 35/56. And the calculator tells us that that answer is 7.04 centimeters. So that completes the problem. Please feel free to subscribe to this sideshow and append any comments and questions, which I shall endeavour to deal with to the best of my theatrical propensities.